Citizens Credit Restoration. Time to get back on top.
Tired of being turned down?
Tired of struggling financially?
Tired of having unreliable transportation?
Have dreams of one day owning a home?
This is your opportunity to get back on top.
Regain control of your financial stature and fight those who are holding you back. But how, you may ask?
We will teach you.
If you have bad credit and need better credit, or even if you have good credit and want exceptional credit, Citizens Credit Restoration can help. During the Citizens Credit Restoration process, we will teach you how to obtain your credit reports totally free, how to understand them, and finally, how to remove inaccurate information from your reports. Credit repair companies and attorneys charge thousands for a service you can easily do yourself with the help of Citizens Credit Restoration. In addition to the process, we are here for you every step of the way because we understand the difficulties behind credit restoration. Thank you and good luck.